Hello friends, welcome back again. In this video, I will explain you how we can use this astronomical clock in Siemens PLC logo. Open your logo soft comfort software and here scroll down and you can see in the timer category this is astronomical clock. Just drag and drop this block into the window and this program we will be delete problem and that we can be aligned in the page. As per seen in this block there is a one output only. You can see there is a one output. So we can choose the output and connect with this block. What this block function, this is very interesting command and very helpful. We can use in the anywhere, any country for the in location information you can see here is a location, latitude, longitude, latitude, time zone, and here also can give the name and is a predefined countries also have defined. Here is a many countries, but if your required country is not have, you can use only user defined country and set the values here longitude, latitude, time zone and name act and after click save. In this video I am using this Turkey app and click OK and make the simulation on. After you can see some values are showing here. TR means this is sunrise time. When sunrise time is means when sun rising time is automatically the system detects when you're using this command. If your PLC is bullet in this function real clock time and after your this block automatically detects the time sunrise and sunset, it will be automatically make the settings here in you can in the location as per location it will be automatically choose this all settings and show you in the window. But how you can take the benefit from this command means, for example, you have a many of the lights and you have to be like to control with this on and off system. So how you can control, you can use this PLC and use this command, just nothing any changes like to be make, just only make the settings and after this will be automatically on when sunrise, after this will be stop your lights and when sunset time is comes, after it will be automatically on your lights. It's very simple. This time also you can test with this your PLC time. Here you can see there is a March 27 225. So for an example I will change it here 17 and also we can choose the April for example and 10 this one and click apply. After you can see this is the time is now changed. One more value I will show you. For example, in April, in June, what's the time in the date of 4? Click apply and after you can see this is the sunrise time and sunset time is different, automatically detects. So now we have to be test this logic, how this works. For an example, very simple, you can think about this is the 4:21 is the your required time. This is the sunrise time and you like to on your lights. Very simple. Here you can select this time. This is now running. You choosing this one 4 January 2025 and here we can put the time, for example 04:04 and here is 21. You can put the time 20 because of if a time will be running and after we need to run this one after 21 and here is 20 and here you can put this one 55, put no problem, or 50 and click apply and after when this timer is running you can see here is a 20 as this time will be come at the 4:21, which is the sunrise time, your output will be automatically on. This is yani sunrise time and this is the sunset time. And think about, now your time is completed and your watch is at the 19 19 1913. Okay, and here we can put the 13, for example 12 I will be put, and this 5 seconds after it will be make changes 19 12, and here is the our required time is 13. It's a 1 minute have a difference because of plus minus sunrise offset and sunset offset have a different in 1 minute. So we can choose it here 13. Just again click 13. We can save our time and click apply, and after 5 seconds your output will be off. You can see your 5 seconds after your off. This is the after sunset time. You can understand this is the sunrise time and this is the sunset after the sunset time, after the rising time. Understand? It's very simple and easy method. You can choose. Also this plus minus time you can setting make here. Here is also time offset value. You can see it here. If you can put it here, for example minus 10 and click OK, and again make the simulation, and this is the time 4:11 is the sunrise time and the 19 means yani 7:13 is the sunset time. So you can set it at the timer. This is the original clock yani running with the by the PLC, and this time you can set. This is random value. You can check in the, for example 5 6 in the June and click apply. This time will be changed. You can see this is the time is setting our 19:15. At the 9:15 is completed. Also you can see this is our output is on, but when this is sunrise coming, after this will be off. I will put this value here 04, and this time we can change at the 9:09, and this is 55 seconds. We can choose and click on apply. You can see your output is off, and as this time will be completed at 4:10, you can see your output is now on. It's very simple and easy method, but very helpful command. For the just only use this PLC and use this block and street lights. This will be automatically system detects, and it will be working behalf on your this program. Your lights no needs to be any make changes or something. Your lights will be on and off automatically with the time settings and with the time zone. So hope guys you will be understand about this block. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.